Hello, today's letter of the alphabet is X. Do you know what starts with X? Xylophone. 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 And here is a video of my friend Benji playing the xylophone. Let's watch. It's also a piano. The top part is a xylophone. Cool.